got that one cleaned up and stacked it, and he's working on the one down here. Let's see if I can get down there. There's the brush from the trees. There's some more of the trees that ain't stacked yet. That's just one of the trees that uprooted from the storm.
Ah, move! This thing will kick back and hit you.
He wants me over here. You probably heard him yelling. Oh, me. But I'll go this way.
I had a time and a half with that one. That was big.
We're gonna go see how far he got. I had to come back out of the house for a minute because kids needed me, and they can't be out here right now because all these trees falling, and it's getting dark, you know, and they didn't come out today anyway. There was no need for them to be getting hurt. Hey, Nugget. Hey, Nugget, what you doing? That brush is getting bigger. So dark out here.
Hey, look. Take a picture of that before we go out to Rockford. See how it's rotten?
Yeah, it's rotten. Yep.
I'm taking down, but I ain't gonna put them up in that.
Got all that wood stacked back there, and then got that other pile.
This tree is the only trees left.
But you gotta cut up the rest of those other two in the back.
What tree? Over there?
Yeah.
No, you don't have to cut them up.
Well, you cut it off the stump, it's gonna fall one day.
That's off your mom's property.
Oh.
No longer on your mom's property anymore. So I ain't meant to hit it. Let it fall.
I'll come up here. This grass is wet right here. Over there it wasn't. That's kind of weird. Yeah.